In this video, we will show the best inverter air conditioners in India 2020. At number 1, LG 1-ton 5-star inverter split AC. Best 1-ton inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, Sanyo 1-ton 3-star inverter split AC. Budget 1-ton inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Carrier 1.5-ton 3-star inverter split AC. Best 1.5-ton inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Lloyd 1.5-ton 5-star split inverter AC. Power efficient inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, TCL Elite iECO 1.5-ton AC. Best feature-rich inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Daikin 1.8-ton 5-star inverter split AC. Best 1.8-ton inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Onida 2-ton 3-star split AC. Best 2-ton inverter AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Godrej 1-ton 3-star inverter split AC. Best budget 2-ton AC. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.